Imagine, friends, you have covered each corner on the earth, from India to America, Russia to France, and Dubai to Manchester, and even some world famous monuments. You now have enough money with you. For what? Yes, for space travel. Earlier, it was not possible even to think of space travel, but now, friends, it's possible. This is all possible because many companies are working very hard to build the reusable space rockets, which will even reduce the cost of space travel. The arch rivalry lies between Elon Musk's SpaceX, Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin, and billionaire Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic. Meanwhile, Elon Musk right now is at the top as compared to Jeff Bezos and Richard Branson. He has a bigger plans than the two people. His main mission is to deploy people on Mars. The three people will definitely change space travel. To prove their monopolies, all the companies have to build world class rockets which should provide safety to each and every one. We will not talk about each companies in detail. We will start from Virgin Galactic because it recently made the first passenger flight to outermost space. Here is a message of Richard Branson.
To all you kids down there, I was once a child with a dream, looking up to the stars. Now I'm an adult in a spaceship with lots of other wonderful adults looking down to our beautiful, beautiful Earth. To the next generation of dreamers, if we can do this, just imagine what you can do. Hey!
Come on out, Richard.
The billionaire space race is on. The first is Virgin Galactic, which will carry full convoy of travelers beyond Earth's atmosphere for the first time. We should note the hard work of all the employees which are working since 10 years to win the race of space tourism. The team have worked very hard and even have many technical delays, but with good fighting skills now they have overcome all the obstacles. His flight will be of 90 minutes in which he will be there sitting inside and enjoying the view. The rocket will climb to the peak of 89 kilometers above New Mexico desert. The crew should experience a few minutes of weightlessness before descending. But he isn't alone. Amazon owner Jeff Bezos will also fly to outer space later this month. Blue Origin are developing Shepherd spacecraft specially for space tourism. This capsule will have 6 seats with the largest windows ever seen. During the flight, the rocket will accelerate 100 km altitude before cutting off the engine, releasing the capsule. The passenger inside the capsule will be able to leave the seats and experience less gravity. Few minutes later, passengers will return to their seats and return back to Earth. The cost factor also plays a very serious role. International Space Station costs NASA $4 billion in an year. So for now, space travel is open for rich only, and later when there will be new technologies and cost will be reduced, then it will be open to cover a larger population. Thank you.